Why do we feel like this has happened before? You walk into a place you've never been before. The light hits the wall in a strange way. Someone laughs behind you. A cup touches the table, and suddenly your brain says, "Wait, I've lived this exact moment before." But you haven't. At least not that you can remember. So what is that feeling? Why can a brand new moment feel like a memory? That strange flash is called déjà vu, which means already seen. But the real question is this: why does your brain feel so sure about something that may never have happened? Is it a hidden memory? First possibility, maybe something really does feel familiar. Not the whole moment, just a tiny piece of it. A smell, a sound, a hallway, or the angle of someone's face. Your brain is always comparing now with before. Most of the time it finds the right match, but sometimes it only finds the feeling of a match. Imagine opening a photo album and recognizing the mood of a picture, but not the picture itself, and that may be part of déjà vu. You feel recognition, but you cannot find the memory. And that gap feels strange, almost supernatural. Is it a brain timing glitch? But what if déjà vu is not a memory? What if it is timing? Your brain processes the world incredibly fast. Sight, sound, emotion, and meaning all have to line up. But if one part arrives a fraction of a second late, the present might feel like it already happened. Not because you saw the future, not because time broke, but because your brain may have labeled a new moment as slightly old. This is one theory, and it is not fully proven, but it fits the feeling. Déjà vu usually lasts only seconds, a quick flash, a weird certainty, then it disappears. Here is the surprising part. Déjà vu might not mean your brain is broken. It might mean your brain is checking itself. One part of your mind says, "This feels familiar." Another part says, "But I know this is new." That conflict may be what creates the eerie feeling. So déjà vu may not be a false memory. It may be your brain catching a false signal, like a mental alarm that says, something about this moment does not add up. So what is true? Déjà vu is common, usually brief, and connected to memory, familiarity, and how the brain judges the present. But we should be careful. Science does not have one final answer. Déjà vu does not prove past lives. It does not prove you dreamed the future, and it does not mean something mystical is definitely happening. The honest answer is more interesting. Déjà vu may come from several things: a familiar detail, a memory mismatch, a tiny timing issue, or the brain detecting conflict. In rare cases, very frequent or intense déjà vu can be linked to neurological conditions. This is especially important if it comes with confusion, fear, blank spells, or strange sensations. So occasional déjà vu is usually normal, but unusual or distressing déjà vu is worth asking a doctor about. Maybe that is why déjà vu feels so powerful. For 1 second, ordinary life becomes mysterious. A coffee shop becomes a puzzle. A hallway becomes a memory you cannot place, and your brain quietly asks, "Have we been here before?" Most of the time, the answer is probably no. But that tiny hesitation reminds us of something beautiful. We are not just living our lives, we are constantly interpreting them. So next time déjà vu hits, pause and look around. Ask yourself, what detail feels familiar? And if you have ever had a déjà vu moment that gave you chills, tell me in the comments. Follow for more everyday mysteries hiding inside your own mind.